Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social studies session, children, where we were discussing about the revision plan for the coming summative examinations, children. As we have finished up the syllabus with the greenery in Telangana, do you remember what are the topics actually deleted from the syllabus, children? Okay, it's the Permakuru, which is deleted from the syllabus, and agriculture in our times is deleted, and trade in agricultural produce, part A and part B. Okay, these three are removed. Agriculture in our times and trade in agricultural produce. These three are removed. And emergence of kingdoms and republics is also removed. First empires is removed, and democratic government is also removed. So remaining all were present. Okay, completely 7 units are taken away, children. So as usually, map reading is there, globe is there, landforms are there, Dokuru and Penugolu are present, and food gathering. From food gathering to food growing, okay, the earliest people situation we can understand. Village panchayat se local self government hai, towards gender equality is there, diversity in our society is there, religion and society in our times, and in early times devotion towards the love and God, and even language, writing and great books are there, sculptures and buildings, greenery in Telangana. So today I once again revise about the great writings, the books which are famously written, the kind of literary activities which have taken place during the ancient period. Let me throw some focus on it. So we have learnt about different kinds of books written on medicine and surgery, different books on mathematics, astronomy. So Indians, early Indians have large knowledge, enormous knowledge through which we have dominated the world. So the Sangama literature, that which belongs to the Tamil, Tamil is a language which is spoken in a large parts of South India in the early days. So Sangama literature is nothing but it's a collection of poems composed by large number of poets and poetesses of Tamil Nadu region. They wrote about heroes who bravely fought wars to defend their tribes, about the love of brave heroes and beautiful girls, and about the beauty of landscapes, seasons, and their effect on human beings. These all things they have written in the form of poems, and the collection of all these poems is called as a Sangama literature. So whenever I ask you about the Sangama literature, then immediately it should strike into your brain that it is relating to the Tamil Nadu, Tamil language. Tamil poets and Tamil poetess have collection of their poems is called as the Sangama literature. And coming to the books written on the medicine and surgery, children, the ancient earlier times there were many people who studied why people fell ill, why the people generally fell ill. So when they have studied this, they also tried to learn how we can cure them. So how people hurt in wars could be healed, and they collected herbs, different kinds of plants का herbs, leaves जो है उसको collect करके, and what leaf has what kind of property they studied, and how it can be used for the wounds they have studied. And some of these books have been passed down to us. Such famous books is called as Charaka Samhita. Another book which focuses on the surgery is called as Sushruta Samhita. One is Charaka Samhita, which gives you about the Ayurvedic knowledge. The other one is Sushruta Samhita, which tells you about the surgery. So apart from that, there are many books which are written on astronomy, mathematics. The people like Aryabhatta, he wrote Aryabhattiyam, and even the famous books which were composed during this period on the grammar, Panini's grammar, and Ashwagosha's Kushana wrote Buddha Charita, one of the earliest kavya or poetic story in Sanskrit based on the life of the Buddha, and Ashtadhyaya, a Sanskrit language book which will help you about the grammar in Sanskrit. So likewise there are many books which have been written during this period. So this revision of books, language, writings and books will continue even tomorrow also, children. Thank you.